Hi, Nicole. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to send this video to you. I hope it is helpful. I'm sure there's some good information I can give you here. Again, this is Matt with Search Strategy. We've been in business since 2009, helping local businesses online. Anyway, the point of the video really is to help you come up in searches against your competitors. And, you're in a really good position, except there are a couple things that I think could happen that could help you take over some of the areas that maybe you're missing out on. One quick thing that I took a look at here was one of the first services you had listed in the navigation was pool screen repair, Melbourne, Florida. Housmans came up in the map pack here, and they also came up second, and that just shouldn't be. You're coming up number 4 in organic search. I'd like to show you how you can overcome that. So we're going to talk about 3 things that you can do: content, backlinks, and citations. Then I'll show you what the opportunity is of having those come up, just so that you can see how that can be impactful for your business. So the first thing, I might say you want to have just a note: tripod aluminum, pool and patio enclosures. That's good. I would probably flip-flop that so that keyword is first, and a keyword is essentially anything that somebody types into Google looking for a product or a service. That's your keyword that you're trying to come up for. I like this video. I would like to see a call to action button, which you have here, get a quote, a little bit higher above the fold so that somebody, when they see it, they actually can, or when they come to the site, they can actually see it on right away and click on it or click to call, which you have up here. All right. But content. So the first thing I'd like to see is more content on this website, and on the front page in particular, 1,500 to 2,000 words. You have some information in here, but you don't have really any keywords, and I think that would be helpful. The reason why you're not coming up, I don't think, for pool screen repair Melbourne is because you don't mention screen repair anywhere on the site. Oh, and incidentally, this lorem ipsum is coming up here, something you might want to switch out. So the more content you have, the more opportunity you have to put specific keywords that you want to come up for when somebody does a search. So, even though these guys, they don't have a ton of information on there, they do mention screen repair right there. So, something that you might want to consider. The next thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find, one website linking to another via a clickable or hyperlink text. The links act like an endorsement of your website from others. So Google uses that to build trust in your business by seeing that others are vouching for you. You're actually doing all right in that department. Let's see here. You've got 334 backlinks. You have 90 referring domains. It's leading to 161 organic searches a month. But I do think a lot of it is going to be, some of it's going to certainly be branded keyword. So there's more opportunity for other keywords collectively. This leads to an authority score of 19 out of 100, which isn't too bad. It's pretty good, but I think you could increase that and really put the competition away here. So when I go look at these guys, let me go back to their domain, their backlink profile, they barely have any backlinks. They've got 29 different websites linking to them. They're getting 250 searches a month. In part because, what do they have? Housmans Aluminum. But if I look, and they have a terrible authority score. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not. But what they are doing is they are actually mentioning that particular keyword, and that's why they're coming up for it. So if you don't mention it, Google doesn't know, and there's a chance that they're gonna, not be able to do. They're not going to find you because they don't see the content that you're putting up there. So let's see here. Yeah, they come up as number 1 on this one. I'm sure they're getting some volume from that. Not a huge keyword, but something there. Pool screen enclosures, Melbourne, Florida. You start to add those up, that comes up with traffic. So anyway, you're leaving opportunities on the table. And another thing I wanted to mention is this map pack. Okay, so this is where your business profile gets shown. It's your name, your address, and your phone number. And once you have that information there, you need to spread that around the internet in directories so that Google knows that you're legit. You're all over the place. You have your Yelp, Better Business Bureau, expertise.com, Angie's, that kind of thing, where your name and address and phone number are the same across the board. So as long as you have that, the chances are of you much more likely that you're going to come up in this map pack area. All right, so the three things again, one, you get your content together, your backlinks together, and your citations, you're going to start to come up for more search terms. And I just really want to point out the impact that can have. So let's say you got these guys who are getting, what are they getting? They're getting 200 and some odd visits a month. It's like 100 more visits a month. And they're for specific keywords. Those 100 keywords typically, 7 to 10 will turn into a lead, and half of those will close. So let's just say it's 3. Well, what would 3 new clients or customers mean in terms of enclosures? I'm sure the margins are pretty good on that. So I'm just thinking about the revenue that these guys are getting just additionally because they've got some more search terms that are available to them. So anyway, if this is something you're interested in talking about, this is what I do for a living. But please apply it as necessary. I just want to see you all come up and search. And if you want to reach out, great. Just give me some feedback. This is good. This is helpful. I like to talk. Whatever it is, that's fine by me. I appreciate your time, Nicole, and have a wonderful day.